Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel English Destination. Most of the students get confused in voice. That's why I have made videos on voice to clear all your doubts. Tense wise I have made all these videos, so watch till the end. In English language you will get 12 tenses, but active passive voice is possible only with 8 tenses. So all these 8 tenses I have divided into different parts, including affirmative, negative and interrogative constructions. So don't miss this video. Watch till the end. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get started. Some changes are required while turning active voice to passive and passive voice to active. Okay, first person in active voice I becomes me in passive. Here first person active we becomes us in passive. Second person you will remain the same as you in passive. Third person he becomes him, she becomes her, it becomes it and they becomes them in passive. Let's see perfect modal auxiliary. Affirmative sentence. First sentence, Arohi will have sent an email before 6 p.m. This is active voice. How can you say here by is not mentioned and here B-double-E and being is not given. Now Arohi, that is subject, will have sent, that is verb, and email object, and before 6 p.m. that is an extra information. How to turn this active to passive, that we will see. An email will come in the beginning and becomes a subject in passive voice. Then will have, then you have to add B-double-E and be, then B3 form already mentioned in active voice. Same thing you have to copy. Then by and then Arohi. So name is given, so don't change anything, right? As it is. So here Arohi is given, that is an object. After that you have to write before 6 p.m. That is an extra information. This is passive voice. Let's see negative sentence. He cannot have made toys. This is active voice. He, subject, can, auxiliary verb. Not is given because we are framing negative sentence. Have you have to write. Then V3 form you have to write here. Then toys, that is an object. Let's turn this sentence to passive voice. Toys will come in the beginning. Then can, not, have, then you have to add being, B-double-E and being, because we are framing passive voice, that's why. Then you have to add V3 form already mentioned in active voice, same you have to write here. Then by and then he becomes him as an object in passive voice. Interrogative sentences. Should we not have given higher price for vegetables? So should, auxiliary verb, we, subject, not is given, have given. So have, then V3 form, then higher price, that is an object, and for vegetables that is an extra information. This is active voice. How to turn this to passive, that we will see. Should, same thing you have to write. After that, you have to use this object of active voice. Higher price will come immediately after should. Higher price, that becomes subject in passive voice. Then for vegetables, extra information, then not, then use have, then add BEEN, been, then given, V3 form, then use by, and then we becomes us in passive voice. Should higher price for vegetables not have been given by us? This is passive voice. Next, who must have built that beautiful building? Question mark. This is active voice. Who, WH question, must, auxiliary verb, have you have to write, then V3 form. That beautiful building, that is an object. This is active voice. Who is given in active, so you have to turn this who to by whom in passive voice. Then add must, then here that beautiful building, that is an object in active voice, becomes a subject in passive voice. So that beautiful building you have to write as a subject, and then have, been, add, and then V3 form. So by whom must that beautiful building have been built? Question mark. This is passive voice. Practice time. Change the voice. 3 sentences are given and you have to change that voice. Your time starts now. Let's check answers. First, where might the leopard have carried away the boy? Answer, where might the boy have been carried away by the leopard? Question mark. Next, the children may not have attended the magic show. Answer, the magic show may not have been attended by the children. Last one. My brother would have established a business. Answer, a business would have been established by my brother. Hope you learned a lot from this video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, keep watching, keep liking, keep sharing, keep learning, and keep subscribing. Thank you so much.